So, I get a lot of questions about the quality of the sun, how much sun you should get, and how fast your tower garden should grow. And I just kind of wanted to show you the difference here between that tower garden in the far corner over there and this tower garden in regards to sun. This tower garden here, it gets about 5 hours of sun a day. It's still growing. I'm still getting lots of tomatoes. I've got lettuce on it, and I have strawberries on it. Parsley, getting a lot of sugar snap peas and kale and snow peas and beautiful looking lettuce and beautiful looking plants. It's getting enough sun, but if you look at these lettuces here and this strawberry plant here, and you compare it over here to a tower garden that is in more sun, this one's about 7 hours of sun a day, and I planted the strawberries at exactly the same time, and they're twice as big. Look beautiful. The lettuce is twice as big, and the leaves and the plants just look bigger. And so this is the difference in sunlight. If you can get that 7 to 8 hours of sunlight a day, your tower will go faster. The plants will still be just as beautiful in less sunlight, and you still will get produce, but it won't be, quite as much. And I'll show you a couple plants here. I've got celery growing right here. That's my Swiss chard. This is the beautiful all-star lettuce. This is my mustard greens. My basil didn't really like this cold snap that we had, and so I probably should cut it back. Now that it's getting warmer, it'll probably have a flush. Here's some dill on here. There's some green beans back there. Oh, I thought I found them all. I made a stir fry today. Another green bean plant, and green beans really love the sun too. And I've got a brand new little kale that I planted down there. This is a spicy mix here. Tomatoes. But that is the difference between, sunlight. So, and all these plants, all these towers have gotten the same type of water, the same pH, the same everything. But sunlight does make a difference in how well your tower is going to do. All right, you guys have a great day.